Hello traders, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how I caught a nice scalp on the British pound using the 3-day setup. As you can see here in our indicator on the top, we have GU as a 3-day setup and we also have GU as a closing breakout. So let me show what happens. On the chart we have Monday set the high, Monday set the low. The market comes down on Tuesday, takes out the previous weekly low. This is the previous weekly low. It takes it out and then price closes back within the range of Monday, which makes this a day one. If this is day one, for day two to be valid, no break of there should be no break of this daily level here. It should be trading within, it should be trading above this level. If day two trades above the low of day one and stays above it, it becomes a valid day two. And as you can see, this became a day two. Even though it broke the high, doesn't matter. And we also, on day two, have a market that's closed in breakout. So this market closed above the high of day one. So this makes it a closing breakout, which is also another signal day. So we have a 3-day setup, which is today on Thursday. 3-day setup, timings, levels, behavior of price. What do we have? We have timings. The timing is the start of the London session. And we also have the levels. What levels are we on? Yesterday's high, and we are also close to the open of the day. The market comes down on yesterday's high and just starts rejecting right at our timing. So as you can see, if you wanted to use the EMA as a confirmation, you could have entered you could have waited for timings here. This massive pin bar happens after the second hour. You could have entered anywhere here. This candle, this candle, this candle, this candle here, and managed risk correctly, targeting the high of the day, which was just Asia's high. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Keep it simple. Make sure you guys have a setup in the market. You know, most people just come to the screen and trade moves. They trade this move here up, they trade this move down, they trade this, all these moves. Stick to a session. You know, there's 3 sessions in the day. There's the Asian session, London session, and the New York session. Choose a session, you know, and then wait for signal days. Wait for the market to give you a signal of where it wants to go. On Tuesday, the market took out the low of the day and closed back within the range of the high and the low of the week. This market can possibly go up, and that's exactly what happened. The market went up to the high of the week and continued trading above the high of the week. So on day 3, when the market comes to these levels, yesterday's high, or it comes to yesterday's low, that's when I become interested in taking a trade. Or if it's a 3-session setup in New York, there are certain criteria I follow, but these are the main levels I'm looking at for a 3-day setup. Yesterday's high and yesterday's low. What is the market doing on those levels? As you can see on yesterday's high, pin hammer, 15-minute, just before the start of the London session. And this market wants to go back to the high of the day. As we can see, the market is trending to the upside. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please smash those buttons. Thank you guys.